Madam, shift, I beg. Shift, see.
So,
I refuse that.
It's not your business.
Don't come, babe.
So,
you don't have respect.
Babe, you can settle.
You don't have respect. Shift from here. Shift, get out. Enter your compound.
Babe,
get out from here.
So,
no, babe.
No.
Wannan kuma wata sabuwar hanya ce da za ka iya gwada budurwarka idan tana son ka da gaskiya ko ba da gaskiya take son ka. Wannan matashin gaskiya ya yi abin a yaba masa kwarai da gaske, inda ya ƙirƙiri sabuwar hanyar da zai gwada budurwarsa don tantance ta ya gane cewar shin da gaske tana son shi ko kuwa ba da gaskiya take son shi ba. Bari mu kalli wannan bidiyon tare da ku.
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
How are you?
I'm fine, babe. Please, are you at home?
Yes.
Okay, I'm outside your gate now. Please, can you just rush down, please?
What's the problem?
No problem. Just come, please.
Okay, I'm coming now.
Thank you.
no, don't just stay here. Don't worry. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
What happened?
How are you?
I'm good. What happened?
Yeah, well done. Okay. Did you know this man?
No. What?
How about, babe? I was on that called you just now.
You calm down. Come closer. I want to ask you a question. You say you don't. Who is this person?
I don't know him.
You don't know him?
Yes.
Wait, officer. But you
Don't calm down. But he was just calling you baby now, right now. You don't. Why are you denying him? Say you don't know him.
Babe. We are just business partners. There's nothing serious. Why? What Jesus? Are you mad?
I go on the life for you now.
You calm down. Okay. Although I will explain what happened here, what bring us here before we can go on. What just happened here was like this young man involved himself with 6 million naira. He stole 6 million naira from one person account, and actually we trace him and we'll be able to capture him. Right now, as we're taking him to station, then from station to maybe court to prison, he now said that he has one person. That is the only one person he loves so much. He want to go see that person before we leave.
And it's me.
He says it's you.
See, the only relationship between me and him is business. We are just business partner. I can still show you the alert. I think 2 days ago, I sent him 10 million. Yes. I can still show you the alert. There's nothing serious.
Wait. You sent him 10 million naira
for my own project. There's some project we want to do together. So I sent him 10 million 2 days ago. So there is nothing. If you are even going anywhere you are taking to, I'll follow you. There's nothing, baby, between me. I don't understand. Do I know you?
But you're the one that just made call here and
you say.
No, allow her to allow her to express herself.
I'm the one.
No, allow her to express herself. Hello.
Yes.
This matter now is like we are serious on this matter. This young man, they say 6 million naira, and he say you are his love.
I gave him 10 million 2 days ago, and I will collect the money before you people even leave here at all. I will follow you anywhere you want to take him. You can go. I say I don't know him.
So you want to take we forget now. Before we leave here now, okay, explain who is this person?
Sir.
Yes.
This person that you're seeing, but
yes,
we've been in a relationship for a while now. For a long while now, you understand? Babe, talk now.
I want you to talk to me. Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. We've been in a relationship for a while. I've even been happy. Even this house you are staying, babe, I paid for it now.
Thank you.
Do you want to deny? I paid for the house.
I said thank you,
even when she was in school, I assisted her a lot. You understand? The 10 million naira that she's even talking about, sir, is the money that me and her we are working on a project for her. You understand? So she was able to gather the money, probably with the money I've sent to her and the one she will be able to hustle on her own. And she said, okay, babe, help me keep this 10 million naira. You understand? We are still going to use to work on a project. You understand? This project we are even going to work on, we can even start like next month. That's what this 10 million naira is for. I even have an intention that I'm going to add 5 million naira so that at least the project will be able to achieve it. Babe, just agree that you know me now. We can sort this out now.
Wait. What you say now?
Calm down.
You just calm down. What you say now is that this person is your love.
Yes.
And you people have been dating for a long period of time now.
Period of time now.
And you have been helping her. The place is staying, you say you are the one paying for her.
Thank you.
For the house. Then when she finished, when she was in the school, you were the one paying for the school.
Exactly.
Then when the money he gave to you, that 10 million naira, part of it, the biggest part of it, you are the one that giving to her. So after the project,
He's
you
a
people.
criminal. Take him to wherever you want to take him to, Oga. Hey.
Madam,
Why my auntie? Hey. Take him to where you want to take him. He's a criminal. And I will even collect my 10 million. I'm just telling you now. I will collect it before you even go anywhere. Or I will follow you wherever you want to take
It's okay, it's
Where
okay.
my house?
It's okay, it's okay. Let me tell you. Please, can you quickly uncuff and cuff the hand? Uncuff the hand, please.
Why?
Please uncuff the hand. There's why I'm going to tell you. Camera, are you being seeing us? Yes. Actually, young lady. No, I want to tell you now. Come closer.
Why are you not recording me?
It's now that
it's now that you are seeing the camera. There's a camera there. You don't know.
The camera to him, not me.
You say what?
I don't understand why you recording me.
Is it now you see the camera?
It's now you are seeing the camera.
Am I the criminal?
You are not. You say what? You are not a criminal.
Yes, now record him, not me.
Okay.
Okay, I should record the criminal and leave you. Okay, right now, let me tell you the truth of the things that just happened. So, and this young man here is not a criminal. He just decided, my name is Honor. He decided to say, okay, he has a woman he loves so much, and he wants to spend. In fact, he's told me that there is a money you people contributed, and he's looking for money to just complete the thing to add it on the
Madam,
thing.
shift, I beg. Shift. See,
So-
it's not you.
It's not your business.
Don't complain.
So-
You don't have respect.
Babe, you can settle.
You don't have
Babe, you
respect.
can-
Shift from here. Shift, get out. Enter your compound.
Babe,
Get
babe,
out from here.
So,
babe.
no. Actually,
Just leave.
All you had to do was just
Madam, don't come here because
recognize me. Just try and recognize me. That was
Send me
it.
my money before you go then.
I should send you your money.
Just send me my money.
Excuse me, I heard this. I'll send you your money.
Send me my. Is it your money?
calm down.
no, you calm down. You calm down.
Come.
No, tell him to just.
Come,
Yeah,
let's have
come.
this ourselves. Come. No, come. The 10 million naira that I said you gave it to me, right?
Yes.
It's not even up to how much I've been giving you.
Yes.
Is it up? No.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh God,
Babe,
you are lucky this is
okay,
not my
I'm
brother.
sorry.
You deserve slap.
That 10
I,
million back.
Madam, shift, come back.
Don't
Come
touch
on for
me.
here.
Don't touch me.
Babe, I'm
Don't touch me. Seriously,
Hey.
don't do that.
Babe, I'm sorry.
See, that 10 million naira bar, just consider it as compensation fee. You understand? Hello, can you hear me?
Record
See,
me.
if you should have my house key in your house now. I don't know. You will return it. Don't worry. Don't return it. Don't return it.
yourself.
I'll change the lock. This year, I'll change the lock. You just have to. What have we not sorted out together before? What have we not sorted out together?
So, the 10 million, I want to know something. You want to return to her?
No, that is compensation fee.
Mr.
That one
Eh?
is gone like that too. No,
You say
that one
what?
is gone like that. That one is gone like that.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm talking to you right now, do you advise? This guy really need advice now. The question now is that should this guy forgive this girl? That is number one. Should he return the 10 million naira to this girl back? Yes or no? Please, as I just watching, don't just watch alone. Share it for a lot of people to learn. Thank you so much, Achuwas, and God bless you. Thank you.
Wato 'yan uwa, a wannan gabar nake so na yi dan wani takaitaccen jan hankali gare mu baki daya. Ba wai iya budurwa da mutum ke so ba ko matar da mutum ya aura. Dukkan wani mutum wanda ba zai iya tsaya ma ba a lokacin da kake cikin masifa, wallahi ba masoyinka bane. Duk wanda ba zai iya tsaya ma ba a lokacin da kake cikin kunci ko cikin damuwa, ya tsaya ma iya ƙarfinsa ya don ganin cewar ka fita daga cikin wannan masifar, wallahi ko ya ce na son ka ba gaskiya bane ba. Babban darasi ne akan wannan bidiyo da na saka muku takaitacce wanda kowa ya ga dai abin da ya faru. Ba a je ko ina ba, yarinyar ta yi nadama kwarai da gaske, tana ta barman bashi haƙuri inda ta bar gini tun ran zane, wanda iya san da yake mata da yardar da yake da shi a kanta, kaga daga yanzu ba zai sake yarda da ita ba, ya gane cewa ba masoyiyar shi bace ba. Da wannan ne nake cewa idan wannan ne karinka na farkon shigowa wannan channel namu mai albarka mai suna gidan ɗan ligido, yana da kyau ka taimaka mana, ka yi mana subscribe, ka taɓa alama ƙararrawar sanarwa, ka aje mana rubutaccen saƙo comment domin domin yana da matuƙar muhimmanci ƙwarai da gaske, kuma hakan zai ƙara mana ƙwarin gwiwa wajen ci gaba da kawo muku irin waɗannan bidiyoyi masu faɗakarwa da nishaɗantarwa da kuma wa'azantarwa. A yi mana sharing domin 'yan uwa da abokanan arziki su ma su gani su amfana, wala Allah sanadiyar wannan bidiyon wasu a iya samun su gyara halayyarsu. Na gode, sai mun haɗu da ku a wani bidiyon. Na gode.